Hello students, let us discuss in part 2 25 MCQs from chapter number 2 Cell, the building block of life from science book Exploration of class 9th. Question number 1. Organisms living in hot springs are heat-loving bacteria called. These heat-loving bacteria are called as thermophils. You can see in the diagram में आपको हॉट स्प्रिंग ऑफ प्यूगा वैली जो कि लद्दाख में प्रेजेंट है दिखाया गया है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू सम रिसर्चर्स दे बिलीव दैट लाइफ मस्ट बी ओरिजिनेटेड इन स्मॉल वाटर पूल्स with changing environmental conditions rather than in the ocean, and hot springs are the example of such environments. Now come to question number 2. The deposits of dash formed rapidly around hot springs and they may have protected early organic molecules. The deposits of calcium carbonate formed rapidly around hot springs. According to scientists from Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleosciences, Lucknow, they studied these hot springs and found that calcium carbonate formed rapidly around them, and these deposits may have protected early organic molecules from harmful radiation and extreme conditions. Clear? Question number 3. The near point of human eye is 25 centimeter. Near point is the closest distance at which the eye can see an object clearly without strain. Question number 4. The limit of resolution of human eye is 0.1 millimeter. It means 2 points separated by about 0.1 millimeter can be seen as distinct. Otherwise, they appear as a single point. Question number 5. Who examined thin slice of cork and observed small box-like compartments and named them as cell? Robert Hooke was the first person to observe a cell in 1665 by using a self-designed microscope. Come to question number 6. Magnification of self-designed microscope by Robert Hooke was about 200 to 300x magnification. Question number 7. What will be the estimated size of the onion peel cell if 25 cells are seen along 5 millimeter diameter of the visible field of microscope? So here diameter given is 5 millimeter and you have to convert it into micrometer. 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 micrometer. So 5 millimeter will be equal to 5000 micrometer. Now estimated size of onion peel cell can be calculated by the formula. Diameter of visible field in micrometer को divide कीजिए number of cells along diameter. यहाँ पर diameter दिया हुआ है 5000 micrometer and number of cells along diameter दिए हुए हैं 25. Divide these two and you will get 200 micrometer. So here answer is C. The estimated size of the onion peel cell will be 200 micrometer. Question number 8. If magnifying power of eyepiece and objective lens of a compound microscope are 10x and 40x respectively, then a cell will appear dash times larger. The cell will appear 400 times larger. Clear? Now question number 9. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane, means it allows entry and exit of few substances in and out of cell. So it is selectively permeable membrane. Question number 10. The thickness of cell membrane is about 7 nanometer to 10 nanometer. Question number 11. The latest model of cell membrane is fluid mosaic model. With the help of this model, we can explain the structure of cell membrane. Question number 12. Select the correct arrangement of lipids in lipid bilayer of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins, and lipids are arranged in two layers, This is number 1 layer and this is number 2 layer. Here what happens? The water attracting or head or hydrophilic end is present towards outer side, okay, and water repelling or tail or hydrophobic end is present towards inner side. So this is the correct arrangement of lipid bilayer in plasma membrane. Question number 13. Cheek cells shrink in hypertonic solution due to osmosis. Due to osmosis, water from cheek cells start coming out into the environment, passing through the cell membrane, and thus the size of the cheek cells shrink. Okay, so answer is A. Question number 14. Identify the components A and B in the given figure of cell membrane. A is lipid bilayer and B are proteins. So here D is the correct answer. Question number 15. Cell wall, an additional layer around cell membrane is present in plants, in fungi and in bacteria. So correct answer is D, all of above. Question number 16. Plant cell wall is made of cellulose, a type of carbohydrate formed by many dash units linked together. It is formed by many glucose units linked together. So here A is the correct answer. Question number 17. Cell organelles. Cell organelles are the part of cells like mitochondria, chloroplasts, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes. They are all cell organelles. So cell organelles are visible only with the help of electron microscope. So here D is the correct answer. Question number 18. Consider the following statements with respect to osmosis. Number 1. In a hypotonic solution, see here, in a hypotonic solution, the cell will swell. Yes, this is the correct answer. Cell का size बड़ा हो जाता है hypotonic solution में. Number 2. In an isotonic solution here, the cell will shrink or flaccid. No, this is wrong. There is no change in the size of cell in isotonic solution. Clear? Number 3. In a hypertonic solution, there is no change in the cell. No. Here this statement is again wrong. In hypertonic solution, the size of cell shrinks. Clear? So here the correct choice is D. Only statement number 1 is the correct statement. Question number 19. The exchange of gases in alveoli of lungs takes place by simple diffusion in alveoli. Gases move from higher partial pressure to lower partial pressure. This is called diffusion. Actually, diffusion is the movement of particles from higher to lower concentration, which occurs even without a membrane. Clear? So here choice number D is the correct answer. Question number 20. Which of the following is the correct sequence? See the levels of biological organization. Cells together they form tissues. Tissues together they form organs. Organs form organ system, and then the organism. So correct sequence is cells, tissues, organs, organ system and organism. It is given in choice number A. So here choice A is the correct answer. Question number 21. If cells are kept in some solution and the net result is that the cell swells up, then the solution is hypotonic. Question number 22. The plant cells do not burst when kept in hypotonic solution due to the presence of cell wall. Hypotonic solution में plant cell के अंदर पानी तो चला जाएगा, but because of the presence of rigid cell wall, the cell will not burst. So correct choice is A. Question number 23. Match column X and Y and choose the correct option. इस क्वेश्चन को करने से पहले ये डायग्राम देखिए. ये सेल है और ये सेल के बाहर का पोर्शन है. दिस पोर्शन आउटसाइड द सेल इज कॉल्ड एज एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर, और जो सेल के अंदर का पोर्शन है दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इंट्रा सेलुलर. नाउ रीड द स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1. सॉल्यूट कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर मीडियम मीन्स दिस मीडियम. अगर यहाँ पर सॉल्यूट कंसंट्रेशन इक्वल है to the solute concentration of intracellular medium, then such type of solution is called as isotonic solution. Come to second, solute concentration of extracellular medium. अगर बाहर का जो solute concentration है वो कम है as compared to solute concentration of intracellular medium, then this type of solution is called as hypotonic solution. Come to third statement, अगर solute concentration of extracellular medium, बाहर के मीडियम में solute का concentration ज़्यादा है as compared to solute concentration of intracellular medium, then this type of solution is called as hypertonic solution. So here correct choice is B. Question number 24. To make the slides of onion peel and cheek cells, stains used are safranin for onion peel and methylene blue for cheek cells. These stains are used for making the slides of onion peel and cheek cells. So correct choice is B. Question number 25. What improvements in microscope turned it to be a powerful tool for studying cells? Improvement in resolution, contrast and magnification. इन तीनों में इम्प्रूवमेंट के कारण ही माइक्रोस्कोप एक पावरफुल टूल बन सका ताकि हम सेल्स को अच्छे से स्टडी कर सके. सो हेयर करेक्ट चॉइस इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.